Behind me is Chichen Itza temple, in before all the mad rush of tourists. Time is just past 6 in the morning.
Welcome to Valladolid.
Repeat.
Welcome to Chichén Itza.
Thank you. I've got 2 GoPros, just 2 GoPros.
The permit.
That's fine.
The only not possible to enter the photo lens, tripod.
No tripod, no.
Yeah. Okay, man.
If you come into Chichen Itza, you need one of these to get in. You need a mask as well to get in. You only need that for 5 minutes to come through this part here. We have just come through the turnstiles at Chichen Itza. If you're using a GoPro with immediate mod function on it, then advise do not take that into Chichen Itza as they will confiscate it off you. I've had it confiscated and I will wait for it back. The reason being is because it records sound and you're not allowed to have sound recording devices. Quite strange because the GoPro does record sound and every other device like a phone records sound, so it's bullshit, but hey. Behind me is Chichen Itza temple. Each of the temples faces point to the calendar, to the south, west, east, north. Each of the steps is 91, totaling 364, with the first one on top 365, obviously for the number of days of the year. It's quite impressive. At the moment we're quite here early. Maybe a few hundred tourists. Behind me is the group. And over here you can see the people setting up. It's just 2 minutes to 9, so we're in before all the mad rush of tourists, which is quite nice. But the sun is still quite low. Butterflies, random dogs, lovely kind of wildlife, monkeys, that kind of thing. And you'll hear the people clapping in the background like seals. Partly it's to do with the reverberation of the time as well. Behind me. So it's kind of like Carl Pilkington, the moaning of life, as they say. It is kind of like the same. I mean, it's very interesting, but it's very boring as well. I mean, it's that, and then there's a lot of tourist tat shops, so. We have Andrew and Dorothea, and they have just literally proposed to each other.
And you can say, yeah! Recreate it as well, yeah! Perfect, cheers, there you go. So, I suppose we should put on the right finger.
And what did you say?
Yes.
Of
Let's see the ring, let's see the ring.
That's all done, eh? No? Good. Thanks very much for that.
So this was a complete surprise.
Yes.
And what was going through your mind?
Well, I was thinking of the best place to do it, and then when I heard this was a temple to fertility, I thought that sounds like a cool place to propose. It was going to be Chichen Itza, but I think it's just quite fitting, and it was kind of a little bit more private than Chichen Itza. But I'm glad that she said yes, and so.
Congratulations!
And, yeah, so thanks for
Thank
taking
you.
some photos and things. So
You're welcome.
thanks very much.
And there we are.
10 pesos, lady. Everything for 10 pesos. Which one do you like?
Yes, almost free today.
Football, soccer.
Everyone hates the Penguins. Don't know why.
And I make it today.
I know. I need to go about the bus. I get the bus. Hey, see you, my friends.
See you.
Okay.
It's a pleasure.
Okay.
Have a great
You
day.
too, man. It's very, very hot here in Chichen Itza. and you need to buy a hat because it's so hot. Literally it's about 33 degrees Celsius just now. These guys have 3 hats on, 2 hats, because it's that hot. So, buy a hat. How much for the hat? $10?
Yes, $10.
$10.
Has different price.
Good sale. Yeah.
We are on the bus, about 10 minutes left, Chichen Itza. I totally recommend it. It's a monument itself, you get about an hour and a half. It's very, very warm. This is before everyone else gets there. There will be a few other parties, but this is before all the buses descend. You also get the option of a 15-minute walk after that to look at the other parts of Chichen Itza. So anyway, all that said, everyone sweats a lot. We've had refreshments. Our host on the bus has been excellent, very informative, and telling us a whole lot of stuff about the Mayan culture. We have been through Valladolid at the moment, about half an hour behind us. Anyway, we were at the Chichen Itza this morning, through to a Mayan village just north of Valladolid, and then through to a nice cool Cenote, which was cavernous in size, very impressive, nice and cool, relaxing. I didn't get a picture of lunch because I was too busy photographing and videoing the cenote when everyone else was eating. However, I have to say lunch was excellent, much better than the hotel, surprisingly, but lunch was amazing.
Take 2, go. So, we have our rep Nicki, TUI rep Nicki. Nicki's been fantastic.
Hello.
And if you need anything else, Nicki will sort it out for you. She is fantastic. She does everything for you. Nothing is too big for her. We also booked a tour with Nicki, which was yesterday to the Chichen Itza, and I've had too much sun. But Chichen Itza was fantastic, and there's another one in that too. So, but that was a 10 out of 10. All right. So, if you are booking, book with these guys.
Photo, video, drone, available for hire. Check out cdfimages.com.